Kidney health is paramount to our overall well-being. It's a crucial aspect of our health that often goes unnoticed until problems arise. Today, we're diving into a significant discovery, one that unveils the power of a simple vitamin in protecting our kidneys and potentially reversing damage that's already been done. Imagine finding a solution in your daily diet that not only shields your kidneys but also holds the potential to heal them swiftly. This discovery sheds light on the often overlooked issue of proteinuria, a condition where excess proteins are found in the urine, signaling potential kidney dysfunction. Join us as we explore the groundbreaking research linking a readily available vitamin to the prevention and treatment of proteinuria, offering a simple yet effective approach to safeguarding our kidney health. Proteinuria, characterized by the presence of excess protein in the urine, serves as a crucial indicator of potential kidney damage. When our kidneys are not functioning optimally, they may allow essential proteins, such as albumin, to leak into the urine, disrupting the filtration process. This condition often goes unnoticed due to its subtle symptoms, but its implications for our health can be significant. Left untreated, proteinuria can progress to more serious kidney diseases, including chronic kidney disease, CKD, and end-stage renal disease, ESRD. It's essential to recognize the signs of proteinuria and understand its role as an early warning sign of kidney dysfunction, prompting the need for swift intervention to protect kidney health. In the face of growing concerns over kidney health, there's an urgent need for effective treatments that can address kidney damage and proteinuria swiftly. Kidney problems can significantly impact overall health and well-being, highlighting the importance of early intervention at the first signs of trouble. Proteinuria, although silent, poses a significant risk, underscoring the urgent need for solutions that not only stop its advancement but also aid in kidney recovery. Enter vitamin D, a crucial nutrient that has emerged as a beacon of hope for kidney health. Recent research has unveiled its remarkable ability to swiftly address proteinuria and promote kidney healing. Vitamin D works at a cellular level to repair damaged kidney tissues and improve the filtration process, ensuring that essential proteins remain in the bloodstream where they belong. This essential nutrient not only reduces inflammation and regulates blood pressure but also minimizes the strain on the kidneys, thereby halting the leakage of proteins into the urine. With its multifaceted benefits, vitamin D stands as a powerful ally in the quest for maintaining kidney function and preventing further damage. Understanding how vitamin D exerts its beneficial effects on kidney health is essential. Vitamin D regulates the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system, RAAS, a crucial system involved in blood pressure regulation and fluid balance. By suppressing the production of renin, a hormone that activates the RAAS, vitamin D helps to lower blood pressure and reduce the strain on the kidneys, thereby mitigating proteinuria. Additionally, vitamin D possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can counteract the inflammation often associated with kidney diseases, further promoting kidney healing. Its antifibrotic effects contribute to the repair of damaged kidney tissues, improving kidney function over time. These mechanisms collectively highlight the vital role of vitamin D in safeguarding kidney health and combating proteinuria. Obtaining sufficient vitamin D is essential for maintaining kidney health. There are two primary sources of vitamin D: sunlight exposure and dietary sources. Sunlight exposure triggers the synthesis of vitamin D in the skin, making it a natural and readily available source. However, factors such as geographical location, time of year, and skin pigmentation can affect the body's ability to produce vitamin D from sunlight. Dietary sources of vitamin D include fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, fish liver oils, egg yolks, and fortified foods such as milk and cereals. For individuals with limited sun exposure or dietary restrictions, vitamin D supplements are also available and can be an effective way to ensure adequate intake. Incorporating a variety of these sources into your diet can help maintain optimal vitamin D levels and support kidney health. While vitamin D is crucial for kidney health, its benefits extend far beyond this vital organ. Vitamin D plays a pivotal role in supporting immune function by enhancing the body's defense mechanisms against pathogens. It also promotes calcium absorption in the gut, contributing to bone health and reducing the risk of bone disorders such as osteoporosis. Emerging research suggests that vitamin D may also influence mental health, with low levels being linked to an increased risk of depression and mood disorders. Additionally, adequate vitamin D levels are associated with a lower risk of cardiovascular diseases such as hypertension, heart attacks, and strokes. Incorporating vitamin D into your diet not only supports kidney health but also contributes to overall well-being, highlighting its importance in maintaining optimal health across various bodily systems. Optimizing kidney health requires a holistic approach that encompasses various aspects of diet, lifestyle, and supplementation. A kidney-friendly diet focuses on minimizing the strain on the kidneys by limiting sodium intake, controlling protein consumption, and monitoring levels of potassium and phosphorus. It also emphasizes hydration and includes foods that support kidney health, such as berries, apples, and vegetables low in kidney-stressing nutrients. Regular physical activity is essential for managing weight, reducing blood pressure, and improving cardiovascular health, all of which contribute to kidney function. Lifestyle choices such as quitting smoking, limiting alcohol consumption, and managing stress also play a significant role in supporting kidney health. Additionally, incorporating vitamin D into your diet through natural sources or supplementation can provide added support for kidney function and overall well-being. By adopting a balanced approach that addresses diet, exercise, and lifestyle factors, you can effectively promote kidney health and reduce the risk of kidney disease. In essence, the journey towards better kidney health involves understanding the importance of early detection and intervention, recognizing the role of vitamin D in combating proteinuria, and adopting a comprehensive approach to overall well-being. Proteinuria serves as a critical warning sign of kidney dysfunction, prompting the need for swift action to protect kidney health. The discovery of vitamin D as a potent healing agent for kidneys offers hope and potential solutions for individuals at risk of or currently battling kidney issues. By harnessing the benefits of vitamin D, maintaining a kidney-friendly diet, engaging in regular physical activity, and making healthy lifestyle choices, individuals can support kidney function and reduce the risk of kidney disease. It's essential to approach kidney health from a comprehensive standpoint, addressing diet, exercise, and supplementation to promote optimal well-being and prevent the progression of kidney damage. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and share it with others. Thank you for tuning into Inner Health Zone. We'll be back for more health and wellness content, so stay tuned.